Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you fix the Chrome download bubble not showing on your Google Chrome. So without further ado, let's get right into it guys. So the first solution to do is go ahead and go over to SlimJet here and search for SlimJet Chrome old version for Google Chrome. Okay, so you just have to click on the first link, and all you have to do here is to find out if you are 32-bit or 64-bit, and make sure to go ahead and browse any of this. So just make sure that you are not using the version 119 or 111, and you should be good to go guys. Just download the files here and just proceed to go ahead and run the executable file. If that does not work guys, then I suggest to go ahead and go over to the desktop shortcut or the Chrome shortcut of Google Chrome. Right click and properties here, and then go ahead and go over to the target here, and make sure you go ahead and go over to the target field here. So after the quotes here, all you have to do is add a space and then add this code right here. So dash disable dash features equals download bubble. So I will paste this in the description guys, so don't worry. So all you have to do is add a space and paste this one. Oh my bad, this is where you will go ahead and paste it. So on the target and there, and just press apply and hit OK. And all you have to do is reset the Google Chrome and you should be good to go guys. So okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.